Hey guys, welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we're talking the best antioxidants when it comes to anti-aging. Now, did you know that antioxidants are actually one of the best ways to power up your anti-aging skincare routine, take it to the next level? But because they come with ridiculously long scientific names and there's just so many different antioxidants out there, I think a lot of us avoid them through fear of just feeling overwhelmed by it or it all being a little bit too complex. Well, don't worry, I've got you. And in today's video, I want to share with you my 3 favorite antioxidants and the best serums that contain them when it comes to anti-aging, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, minimizing hyperpigmentation and discoloration. So sit back, relax, let's talk next level anti-aging results. Now, before we get into this video, I would of course love to know your own hot take when it comes to antioxidants. Do you use them in your skincare routine? Which particular serums and brands do you go for? So sound off in the comment section below and let me know. In today's video, I'm going to be mentioning some of my personal favorite serums that contain these amazing antioxidants. These recommendations are entirely sponsorship free because I don't do paid partnerships or sponsorships here on the channel. I find that by turning down the coin, it just helps me to retain my independence. So if you want to support a sponsorship free content creator, the best way of doing it is by reaching down and giving the video a big thumbs up and a like. This really does support me so much. So from the bottom of my heart, love to each and every one of you. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So let's kick things off with what are antioxidants and what can they do for the skin? Well, antioxidant is an umbrella term for a whole host of different ingredients. Ingredients which actually protect the skin from free radical damage. So free radicals are things like pollution, particulate matter, certain wavelengths of light which hit our skin all day long and stress it out. It can cause cellular damage and oxidative stress. And this oxidative stress is actually what can trigger premature aging. So these free radicals hit our skin. The oxidative stress can then break apart collagen, which leads to the emergence of fine lines and wrinkles. And it can increase inflammation, which can then trigger hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and discoloration. So what we really need to do in order to prevent premature aging is reduce that rate of oxidative stress. And antioxidants play a key part in that. Now, you can use multiple different antioxidants together if you want to harness the benefit of all of them, or you can just reach for one specific one that delivers the benefits that you want to see. And in this video, I want to break apart 3 of my favorite antioxidants, what they can deliver, so that you guys can choose the right one for your individual skin's needs. I genuinely believe every single skincare routine could benefit from an antioxidant if you choose the right one. Alongside your sunscreen, I think it forms the protective component of our routine, making sure that our skin is able to fend off whatever the world throws at us all day long. And I've been using antioxidants probably for 5 or 6 years now, and I've got some absolutely amazing results. Definitely helps to keep that hyperpigmentation in check. It helps to return some firmness and elasticity by increasing the levels of collagen in the skin. And yeah, I'm definitely an antioxidant convert. But like a lot of people, I was a little bit intimidated at the start because of the ridiculously long name. So hopefully in this section of the video, I can just explain it all to you. My personal favorite antioxidant of all time, if I had to choose one, was something called coenzyme Q10. Now, I like coenzyme Q10 for a couple of reasons. First and foremost, it's probably the one that a lot of you guys have heard of out there. Nivea, back in the day, had their Q10 range, and that was like a bestseller. Just about everyone wanted to get their hands on Q10, and it was advertised by some of the biggest celebrities. Whilst that range, I don't even know if it exists anymore, but it certainly isn't as popular, doesn't mean that coenzyme Q10 shouldn't be a staple in your skincare routine. So it's special for a couple of reasons. It's a potent antioxidant, protect against free radical damage, which kind of is the main benefit you're going to see from it. But it's also the energy that our cells need to go about their day-to-day activities. By using coenzyme Q10, not only do you get that antioxidant protection, but you also supercharge and energize the skin, which means over time it'll just promote skin health. I think coenzyme Q10 is a great gateway into antioxidants. If you're wondering where to start, coenzyme Q10 works universally. It doesn't matter what your skin tone or type, you can use coenzyme Q10 to get some great benefits. It'll improve skin health, it'll provide that antioxidant protection, and it's just a really nice, easy antioxidant to get going with. My personal favorite is this. This is the timeless coenzyme Q10 serum. The reason I love this is you've got a potent concentration of that key ingredient, the Q10, which is what you want to look out for, but you've also got it alongside some other great ingredients. So in here you've got hyaluronic acid, which is going to help plump out the skin, give some immediate anti-aging. You've also got aloe, which is another great antioxidant to work alongside the coenzyme Q10. So see, this is like a 2-for-1. And you've got glycerin. That glycerin is fantastic because it's going to, again, act as a humectant to plump out the skin, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Top all of that off by the fact you've got some vitamin E in here, which is a skin conditioner and another great antioxidant. And I really think this is just a universally great place to start on your antioxidant journey. It's not the cheapest out there, but I would say to people, when you think about it, you're getting your vitamin E, you're getting your coenzyme Q10, and you're getting your aloe. Such a great blend of protective ingredients that are going to hydrate and plump out the skin. So if you were inclined to try this one, I'd say use it in place of another serum in your routine. If you've got a hydrating serum or toner, or you've got a hyaluronic acid serum, swap that out for this. It doesn't mean you have to have an extra step, but you're going to get a whole lot of extra benefit from it. One of my personal favorites. So coenzyme Q10, a wonderful all-rounder, but if you're looking for a more targeted and specific antioxidant, then one of my personal favorites is pycnogenol. Now, yes, that is impossible to pronounce, even harder to spell, but don't worry, I've linked it, as I will link all the products mentioned in the description box below, so you don't have to try and spell that out into Google. I've got you covered with those links. But pycnogenol is very specific, and it's great for anti-aging, because whilst coenzyme Q10 just is a general antioxidant that will fend off those free radicals before they can do damage, what pycnogenol does is it actually provides a shield around the collagen in our skin to specifically protect that collagen against those free radicals. Now, the more collagen we have in our skin, the more firm and elastic will appear, the more minimized our fine lines and wrinkles will be. Over time, our collagen levels will dip like that. So it's really important to use skincare to promote collagen. However, we also want to protect and cling onto that collagen our body has already worked so hard to produce. And that's where pycnogenol comes in. My favorite is this. This is the ordinary pycnogenol 5%. The reason I love this is it's got that percentage on there. You want to be using pycnogenol in about a 4 to 6% concentration to get the maximum results. So that's what the ordinary are delivering. You know what you're getting, and this is small but mighty in terms of what it will deliver. If your number one skin concern is fine lines and wrinkles and boosting collagen to eradicate them, then get pycnogenol in your life. It will be that shield around the collagen to just protect it no matter what the day throws at us, and this is my personal favorites. Now, I will say it comes with a very deep and dark coloration. Don't let that freak you out. All you need to do is put a couple of drops of this into your moisturizer morning and evening, work it into the skin. You'll just find that that moisturizer will help it sink in like that. It won't impact the coloration of the skin, even though it is, let's be honest, on the vivid side. And whenever I use pycnogenol, like I say, couple of drops into my favorite moisturizer, and then you are good to go. Now, last but by no means least on this list of the best anti-aging antioxidants is an ingredient called resveratrol. Again, impossible to spell and pronounce, so I've got you covered by linking it all in the comment section below. But resveratrol is special because it is the best antioxidant when it comes to minimizing hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and discoloration. When we talk premature aging or aging in the skin, our minds automatically go to fine lines and wrinkles. However, studies have shown that the number one skin concern people report as we age is hyperpigmentation and an uneven skin tone. That can absolutely age us, and it comes from an accumulation of sun damage and from environmental factors. There are lots of ingredients we can use to minimize and eradicate hyperpigmentation, but a good antioxidant is a key element of that, and resveratrol is studied and proven to be the best of the best. So resveratrol is actually extracted from red wine grapes, a fantastic natural antioxidant that's just going to boost your overall anti-aging skincare routine. Now, resveratrol needs to be used in a very specific concentration to deliver these benefits. If you read the studies, it's shown that resveratrol in a 1% or lower concentration is a great all-round antioxidant in the same way that, say, coenzyme Q10 is. But if you want to harness its hyperpigmentation fighting abilities, you really need it in a 2 to 5% concentration. This is a sweet spot to give you the maximum results. As with pycnogenol, unfortunately, a lot of brands don't advertise their percentages, which is super frustrating. But one of my favorite resveratrol serums is the Face Theory Resvera F serum. 5% concentration of that resveratrol, sky high dose that's going to really help you to get on top of your hyperpigmentation game, and is one of the very best on the market. This is also teamed with all that hydrating ingredients, so you can use this alongside the rest of your routine to get some plumpness and some hydration back into the skin. It's also got ferulic acid, which is an extra amazing antioxidant to give you like a 2-for-1 if you buy this serum. And so I think if you're looking for the best hyperpigmentation reducing benefits from an antioxidant, this one by Face Theory is the best bar none. Now it comes with a slightly higher price point, so if you want to do your resveratrol on a budget, then The Ordinary do a resveratrol serum in a 3% concentration. Not as potent as the Face Theory, and you don't have that ferulic acid alongside it, so you will have to have a little patience in terms of waiting to see those results. But it's a great affordable alternative to the Face Theory one, and providing you have that patience, you'll still get some great results from incorporating The Ordinary resveratrol into your skincare routine. Now, if you're feeling bougie, you're feeling extra, you can absolutely mix any of these. You could put a couple of drops of the pycnogenol into your moisturizer, and before that you could use the timeless coenzyme Q10. You could slot a little resveratrol into your life on those days that you need it. It's really up to you. You can mix and match. But for me, what I would like everyone to do is to consider just one of these antioxidants and get it into your skincare routine. You can then build from there and see some enhanced benefits. But I think starting with antioxidants is the key. And hopefully in this video, I've been able to demystify, take some of the scientific jargon out of it, and help you guys to work out what's the right one for your individual skin's needs and concerns. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.